Hi, I'm Courtney. For my lesson, I did fourth grade math, and the math standard I chose to focus on was understand a fraction a over b with a numerator greater than 1 as a sum of unit fractions 1 over b. So an example of that would be like 3/8 equals 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. And then the substandard under that that I would be focusing on is to replace mixed numbers with an equivalent fraction and replace equivalent fractions with a mixed number, as well as simplifying fractions. So that's the academic focus. And then the HPE standard demonstrates competency in motor skills and movement patterns needed to perform a variety of physical activities. And so the substandard demonstrates a variety of rhythmic patterns, and under that falls jump roping. So for a warm-up activity, the students will come in and each student will have a jump rope and they will begin practicing their jump rope. And then for the activity, students will partner up and one partner will jump rope as many times as they can. And when they stop, they'll count how many jumps they were able to do, and that will be their numerator. And then their partner will write that down on a whiteboard with an expo marker. And then the student will jump rope again, doing as many times as they can. And then when they stop, the writer will write that down as well. So they'll have two different numbers. The first one will be their numerator and the second one will be their denominator. So say the first time they were able to jump 15 times and the second time they were able to jump 10 times. With the fraction 15 over 10, first they'll try to see if they can convert it into a mixed number, and then they can see if they can simplify the fraction. So with 15 over 10, you can convert that into 1.5, and so they would do that first. And then say the fraction was something that you could simplify, such as 4/8. They would simplify that fraction to 1/2. Hopefully, as the activity progresses, their numbers will get bigger as they're able to jump rope more times, and that would provide more of a challenge for them when converting and simplifying their fractions.